Understand this in music, you have to study physics. Right. Now, physics and music are mutually exclusive, you know. But once you deal with the sound of music, you go in and dwell into the collision of air molecules.
So you're traveling all over the world lecturing on, you know, these...
Not lecturing, but mostly writing and working for companies.
Writing, okay. So you just get gigs related to knowing a lot about all these subjects and being able to explain them and talk
Being
about
able to
them.
solve problems.
Okay.
I have a gift to solve problems.
But then when you're not doing that...
Primarily an A chord consists of 440 hertz. Why when you double 440 hertz, you get an octave. So you hear the same note at a much higher frequency, but it's the same note. So it's the A, but a higher frequency. Now we call it pitch. It's frequency. From a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch. Now why are we hearing octaves? Octave is quite a phenomenon. It turns out that based on our biological evolution, we and our Homo sapiens, our survival mechanism, like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have...
Rhythmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So